Most people don't fail at investing because they lack money. They fail because confusion stops them from starting. You follow the basic financial advice: save money, track spending, avoid unnecessary purchases. Yet when it comes to investing, everything suddenly feels complicated. You open an article and see terms like index funds, ETFs, dividend stocks, growth strategies, value strategies. The more you research, the more overwhelming it becomes. Instead of feeling confident, you feel stuck. So your money stays in a savings account doing almost nothing. It feels safe, but safety has a hidden cost. When money sits still for years, inflation slowly eats away at its value. What most people don't realize is that investing only seems complicated because they try to understand everything at once. Real clarity comes from understanding a few simple ideas and ignoring the noise. The first question is simple: what do you actually want your money to do? If your goal is long-term growth, the strategy becomes easier. Instead of trying to pick the perfect stock, you buy assets that grow with the economy. For many people, that means low-cost index funds. An index fund allows you to own hundreds of companies at the same time. When those companies grow, your investment grows with them. Historically, the stock market has averaged around 10% annual returns over long periods of time. That means consistent investing over decades can quietly build significant wealth. But many people get stuck because they believe they must understand every detail before starting. They spend years researching strategies instead of actually investing. Meanwhile, time, the most powerful force in investing, continues moving forward. Wealth isn't built by finding the perfect investment. It's built by consistently putting money into assets that grow and leaving them there long enough to compound. The hardest part is accepting that investing is boring. Nothing dramatic happens overnight. Some months the market rises, some months it falls. But over years, that slow growth becomes powerful. Financial independence doesn't come from one perfect decision. It comes from small, consistent actions, repeated over time. And the moment you stop waiting for perfect clarity and start investing is the moment wealth building actually begins. Financial freedom isn't motivation, it's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.